How to install PPCine app on Android TV in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can sideload the PPCine app onto your Android TV so you can start streaming without waiting for it to appear in the TV App Store. Start by opening a browser on your phone or computer and going to the official PPCine TV download page. Download the Android TV APK file. Once the file is saved, move it to a USB drive or send it to your TV using a file transfer app. This makes it accessible from your television. Next, go to your Android TV and open Settings. Find the Security section and allow installation from unknown apps. This step is required because the app is not installed from the default store. After enabling it, return to the home screen. Open a file manager on your TV. If one is not installed, download the basic file manager from the TV App Store first. Use it to locate the APK file you transferred earlier. Select the file and begin installation. Follow the prompts and allow the app to install. Once the installation finishes, open PPCine from your apps list. The first launch may take a moment while it loads. After that, browse through the interface and choose what you want to watch. Streaming should begin directly if your connection is stable. If the app does not open, restart the TV and try again. Also, check the APK version matches your device type. Using the correct file prevents most installation errors. Using PPCine on TV Android mainly involves downloading the APK from the official page, allowing installation permissions, installing through a file manager, and opening the app. After setup, you can stream and browse content directly from your TV without needing another device.